Hi, I don't know about you, but I hate tying shoes. I like laces, I just don't like tying the laces. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid tying laces ever again by using these things called cord stops or cord locks. And here I'm showing you how I put on my shoe with a cord lock. I just pull the lace to the tightness I want, and then I pull the lock down, and we're done. That's all there is to a cord lock. And if you don't like the way it looks, you can tuck it under like that. And when you want to take it off, you just pull the lock out and you can take your shoe right off. It's very easy to use a cord lock. So the only equipment you need to do this is a cord lock and the original lace. And here you see I can buy these cord locks in the Philippines at a place called Shopee or on Amazon. They cost next to nothing. They're very cheap. This is what they look like. It's just a little thing. You put the lace in, and you need a cord lock with a double hole like this one. So you put both each end of the lace through the hole, and then you pull it until you only have about 4 inches left, just like this. Just 4 inches on the other side of the cord lock or cord stop. And you can see what it looks like here before I insert it into the shoe. Okay, so that's my starting position. Here's what it looks like by starting position for the cord lock and the cord using the original shoelace. Okay, so now I just work backwards and I pull the string through the shoes and just backwards. So you start from the top and you're going to work your way down. And so that's I start there, and then I just work my way down all the way to the end. Lace, lace, lace. Okay, when I get to the end, I'm going to tie a simple square knot, but I'm not going to tie it very tight. I'm going to tie it loose so that I can get it out if I need to, because I may have to do a final adjustment. So now I'm going to put my shoe on as if I'm tying it for real, and I'm going to get it exactly how I want it. I'm going to pull it so that the right amount of cord is at the top and the right amount of cord is at the bottom. And then when I know I have everything exactly right, that's when I'm going to tie my knot tight, just like that. Then I'm going to cut off the ends over there, cut off the end here, like that. And then I like to take a little lighter and just singe the end. That will keep it from unraveling. That's a little trick that I use. I'm sure I'm not the only one to use this trick. So just singe the end, and that will keep it from unraveling. Okay, so I'm done now, and I'm going to show you how quickly I can put on my shoes using this method. I slip on the shoes, and I just tighten my laces to the right amount, and I pull the cable tie, and you can see that I'm finished in 15 seconds. Pretty good. That's the best I can do, I guess. Okay, so I don't know. It seems like a simple thing. You know, doesn't seem like a big deal in your life to tie your shoes, but I can tell you, I replaced all my shoes with these cord locks, and it just makes things easier. When you bend down, you don't have to struggle. Sometimes I would pull the laces. I don't have the greatest eyesight. I need glasses. When I don't have my glasses on, sometimes I pull the laces, and I get the lace caught in the loop, and then I wind up with a knot. And it's just a pain in the neck, and this solves all that. It's really very easy to do, and it just makes tying your shoes a pleasure. I'll never again tie shoes. I'm always going to use these cord locks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try using cord locks.